Carbon Gold Biochar Tree Soil Improver makes a permanent physical change to the soil in which you plant a tree. It aids the faster development of a strong and resilient root system, which helps to overcome transplant shock and helps the tree to get away to a flying start by helping it to develop a really strong root structure. It also works with hedging, with roses, with other bare rootstock, and of course, with trees. This 1 liter pot is enough to do a 10-liter potted shrub or half a dozen of these bare-rooted apple trees. And just dust some on the roots, sprinkle a bit in the planting hole, there's your tree. For existing trees and shrubs, you can just fork it into the root zone, not too deeply. It will find its way down. It's soil association approved, so you can use it with confidence in your garden. It's also used by organic growers. Because of its porous nature, biochar helps to retain water in the soil, providing moisture to your plant's roots even in drought conditions. Because biochar lasts for such a long time, it's keeping carbon in the ground that otherwise would have gone into the atmosphere. So it's helping you to keep your carbon footprint as low as possible. It comes in 2 pack sizes, 1 liter and 4 liter. Carbon Gold, saving the planet, one garden at a time.